super fly, super duper fly, super duper.
Hey guys, it's Amber Simone, and today I will be showing you all how to do a wash and go tutorial on 4A, 4B hair. So I want you all to peep this before. It's a little dry and brittle. Now this after, speechless. Alright guys, let's jump right into it. So he starts by using Carol's Daughter's Hair Milk Cleansing Conditioner, and right after, for a little bit more moisture, he uses the Cantu Shea Butter Deep Treatment Mask. After your co-wash, make sure to thoroughly massage the mask into your hair so it gets an even spread. He was not filming me recording him in the shower, as you can see. But next up, we're using a Denman Brush, which you can order on Amazon or on the official website, and he's running this product right through his hair. Reminder, this is the deep treatment mask, so this makes your hair extremely moisturized and extremely soft. For this product, they do recommend leaving in the mask for about 30 minutes, but he does not have damaged hair whatsoever, so he leaves it in for 5 to 10 minutes and then he begins to rinse.
Look like it's about to rain, what a shame. I got the armor or the shine up the stain. Oh, Missy, try to maintain.
Now that he is out of the shower, as you can see, his hair is not fully dry yet. He shakes it out a little bit in the shower and then proceeds to use coconut oil. Some people recommend using a dime-sized amount, but I suggest use as much oil as you need for your length and texture of hair. Next up, he's going in with the Creme of Nature Hydrating Curly Cream. He's actually going to rub this right into his hair after he has already applied the coconut oil. So, as some of you should know, the LOC method, liquid, oil, cream. As you can see, he's actually not sectioning off his hair with a comb because he already detangled his hair in the shower. To lessen the frizz on his short top, he sections it by hand. Continue to rub this product in a swirling motion until the white is starting to fade away. Alright guys, now Brandon has his own tutorial himself.
Look at your sides, okay? You want to make sure that you keep your fade and or your taper, whatever you prefer. You want to make sure you keep that nice and moisturized, know what I'm saying? It don't matter if it's your longer top or your sides. You make sure that stays conditioned, looking shiny. That's your sauce. Can't have dry sauce. It's crust. Trademark.
Alright guys, so back to the video. So next up, he's going to use the Creme of Nature Argan Oil for natural hair. This is one of my all-time favorite twist and curl puddings. So I use this for all of my twist outs now, and they come out absolutely amazing. So what he's doing, just like he did the mask and just like he did the coconut oil, make sure to swirl this product right into your hair.
Me, I'm super fly, super duper fly, super duper. Me, I'm super fly, super duper fly, super duper. Me, I'm super fly.
The best way to dry your hair, I always say, is either a microfiber towel or simply air dry.
We sang a jango. We so tight that you get our styles tangled. Sway your do-si-do like you loco.
Can we get freaky tonight?
Like Coco, so-so. You wanna play with my yo-yo.
Alright guys, so as it has only been about an hour, his hair is not fully dry yet, but as you can see, his hair is falling into place. It's much more shinier and it has a lot of moisture to it. As I zoom in, you can see the definition of his curls, and that is from the Twist and Curl Pudding. I hope you enjoyed. Love you. Peace.
Beep, beep.